Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson. Today, let's see what we have in our basket. Green onions. Just quickly like that. Napa cabbage. You just check it to make sure it's all clean. There's no bugs or anything in that. Okay, it looks good to me. Pepper's been better there, but we're using it anyway. Anyhow you wish, you can cut it, okay? Here's how you cut a pepper. Some cilantro. Washed and picked. This is gonna just be for garnish. I'm not gonna put it inside because not everybody likes cilantro, so I keep it. Garlic. You can put ginger if you wish, but I'm not gonna put any ginger because I have a lot that's going on there already. Okay. Just quick chop. Carrots. I'm just taking off the outer layer here. You could use a peeler, but I'm just using a knife here just to take out the outer layer. Make sure you wash all your vegetables, okay? Just take one like this, take it like this, and you go like that. Just on a bias, or anyhow that will make you happy, right? Mushrooms. That's a better day too. And you see like this, give it a quick wash. This one here. This is how you chop this for this particular dish. You can chop it anyhow you wish. What's in here? Oh, some cooked steaks. If you look on my video, you will see I have how to sear a steak. So this one I'm using here is a strip loin. Some quick chop to it. So I think what I'm gonna be making here is gonna be some stir-fried chow mein with all these vegetables and steak. Beautiful. I think my daughter might love this one here. So I'm gonna do it and she's gonna try it and let me know if she like it, okay? Let's go to the stove. Oh, and my son, sorry. And my son Lee might like it too. This is all the veggies that I cut up. Now we can go to the stove and get going with it, okay? Back here, I have some water getting up to boiling here. The chow mein into it because this is gonna take no time. So I wanna able to do it at the same time. So it's not fully boiling, but it's getting hot. So I could put it in there right now because this is not gonna take long to cook or to actually come to the temperature I want. Okay. In the meanwhile, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit my hot wok with a bit of sesame oil. Okay. The garlic first, just to get our flavors going. Okay. Then after the garlic is in there, I'm gonna put the carrots. I'll get some other stuff in there, but this is the main thing in there. The reason I put the carrots here now is because it takes the longest to cook, and you want a little bit of, softness to it. So now, after about a minute, this is beef. Remember, the beef was grilled already. It was in the fridge, right? If it wasn't, then you would have put the beef in with the garlic to cook off first. But this one was pre-cooked already. That's why. This doesn't take long to blanch at all. This noodles. I'm going to turn off the stove for my noodles right now, and I'm gonna strain it in the middle. But first I want to get this stir fried to the level before I have it, okay? So I'm gonna put it into my mushrooms. Keep the pot, you gotta keep it hot, right? You don't want it to sweat. You gotta keep it hot. Keep moving it. So don't forget to add a bit of salt here right now, because remember, by you having salt and these things in the beginning of the cook, it's about building flavor, right? So in the meanwhile that this is, because I threw the mushroom in there, so it brings the heat down in the pan a bit, I'm gonna go and strain my noodles and come back to you. Okay? Hit it with my peppers. And that cabbage is gonna go last with the green onions. So let it build up that there. And then if you see that it's drying out, just put a little bit more of your sesame oil or whatever oil you're planning to use. put the noodles in there. A veggie stir-fry sauce. I love this stuff. Put it in there. You gotta keep moving it, right? Because it's gonna start stick on you because it's stir-fry anyway, right? Let's put in our last two ingredients, which is our green onions and our Napa cabbage. Keep the stove on high. Yes, hear that? Because I don't want this full of sauce. That's why I keep it a little wet like this here. See, just wet and glossy, but it's not saucy, right? Because it's not a pasta dish I'm cooking. Okay, so this is good for me. Now we go to plating, okay? Are you inspired yet? Are you motivated yet? You should be. I'm not trying to say you're learning from the best, but you are learning from somebody who's passionate about cooking at home, you know? Look at that. I'm gonna finish it off with a bit of your sesame chili oil. Because I love spice, you don't have to. Okay? And then just to put the icing on the cake, as I say, cilantro. So go into it. So if you wish, you could chop this up if you wish, but I don't want to chop it up because it looks good as a garnish on top like this, but you could chop it up, it's okay. So now, let's get in there, try this. No, man. This can't be right. Can't be right. Created at home. 25 bucks takeout. Ladies and gentlemen, we find a winner. You need to try this dish. I urge you to try this dish. Don't spend a lot of money on a chow mein dish until you try this dish. Thank you for watching. Anyone can do this. Please see me on the other video.
It's good with the fish.
You want pasta?
Want to try it?
Daddy?
Yes.
Daddy? Daddy? I just want pasta and beef. Okay?
You only want pasta and beef?
Yeah.
So you want me to pick all this stuff out?
Yeah?
This